everyone, myself Sanika Sanjay Lohar. I am studying in Rashtramatha Jizao Defence Academy, Chinswad, Pune. I am preparing for ND examination. Avidyaya mrityum tirtva, avidyaya mrityum tirtva, vidyaya amruta ashnute. One who knows both vidya and avidya crosses death through avidya and attains immortality through vidya. Today I am here before you to deliver a speech on Indian monk and great philosopher who expressed the above thought, Narendranath Datta, greatly known as Swami Vivekananda. Swami Vivekananda was one of the most brilliant social reformers. Vivekananda was credited with promoting interfaith awareness, bringing Hinduism to the status of major world religion in 19th century. Vivekananda was prominent in Hindu reform movements in India. Also, he contributed to the introduction of nationalism to British India and after that into India. He established Ramakrishna Math and Ramakrishna Mission. Ramakrishna Mission is well known as reputed non-governmental organization which work for society in India and abroad. This NGO work against with those having irrespect of caste, color, gender, nationality, religion, etc. In 1893, he introduced the concept of Hinduism at the World Conference of Religious in Chicago. In this conference, he gave a speech and he is the best known for his speech, which begins with the word "He Maja Bandhunno ani Bhagini." Swami Vivekananda was one of the most brilliant, successful missionaries of Vedanta in Western world, and now he is widely recognized as one of the most patriotic sons in modern India, and his birthday is celebrated as National Youth Day in modern India. I would like to end my speech with one poetry about Swami Vivekananda. हे वीर विवेकानंद हिंदू यशमूर्ती हे युवक प्रवरतु युव हृदयांची स्फूर्ती दास्यात पाहुनी विश्वधर्मजननी तू क्षुब्ध सिंहसा व्याकुळ अंतर्यामी मुक्तीचा तिचिया ध्यास तुला दिनराती हे युवक प्रवरतु युव हृदयांची स्फूर्ती शत आघाताली कुंठित मूर्छित झाली ती हिंदू चेतना फिरून तू चेतवी तिज उन्नत मस्तक निर्भय केले जगती हे युवक प्रवरतु युव हृदयांची स्फूर्ती स्मरतात तुझे ते घनगर्जित से शब्द मन वज्र हवे अन मनगटते पोलाद जगजिंकायाची ईर्षा दाटो चित्ती हे युवक प्रवरतु युव हृदयांची स्फूर्ती जी जीवन पुष्पे सतेज नवरक्ताची स्थापावा त्यांनी धर्म आत्म अर्पूनी त्यानेच अर्चना होत राष्ट्रदेवाची हे युवक प्रवरतु युव हृदयांची स्फूर्ती हे युवक प्रवरतु युव हृदयांची स्फूर्ती।